Every monsoon, our streets turn into waterlogged ponds. In India, over 20 major cities face severe flooding, affecting millions. What should be a season of relief becomes a nightmare, disrupting daily life and public safety. Causes are, the problem is not the rain, it's our cities. Poor drainage, clogged sewers, unplanned construction, and waste block water flow. Water can stay stagnant for 48 to 72 hours. Concrete roads and rapid urbanization prevent natural absorption, worsening floods. Impact are: waterlogging halts traffic, damages vehicles, and prevents children from reaching school. Small businesses and daily wage earners lose income. Stagnant water breeds mosquitoes, spreading dengue, malaria, and chikungunya. Even emergency services struggle to reach affected areas. Urban waterlogging causes losses of over Rs 5,000 crores every year. Environmental angle: climate change is increasing heavy and erratic rainfall. Cities without proper drainage are increasingly vulnerable. Mumbai, Chennai, and Delhi have seen record water levels in recent years, causing major damage. Solutions? This problem can be solved. Municipal authorities must clean drains regularly, implement stormwater systems, and plan urban construction scientifically. Citizens can help by keeping drains clean, reporting blockages, and joining community drives. Awareness campaigns can reduce the frequency and impact of floods. Conclusion: waterlogging is not just a seasonal inconvenience, it is a civic challenge. Together, with responsible governance and citizen action, we can reduce its impact. Let's keep streets safe, traffic flowing, and communities thriving even during heavy rains. Report waterlogging, keep drains clean, and spread awareness. Every action counts. Act now to prevent flooding next monsoon.